poor sleep really makes someone look older?
I think you should not ask this. My mom won't let me go outside the house for sure.
That's why I thought of you recommending them what do you drink.
ABC juice.
All the sampling has been done on her.
Yeah,
On
I
her.
To be very honest, Achu, there's not been any side effects.
I'm very, very thankful for that.
If you don't like hydrate from inside, it's like it's gonna show on your skin apparently. I was not leaving my four walls of the room also for multiple days.
Yeah.
But now, since good 2 years, I have been that confident and like stick to that routine.
We'll talk about that story later on, guys. Hello, everyone. We are back and better than ever.
Hi, this is Shreya,
This is Kavya.
and we are here to talk about general things, beauty, health, lifestyle, any particular thing we are here to talk about.
So, yeah, let's get started. So, what does true beauty mean to you beyond like physical appearance?
Physical appearance. Bro, it's everything which is inside, what you're getting inside, what you're doing for your skin, what you're doing in your lifestyle. Everything matters in the term beauty.
Of course, I feel, you should feel good inside as well.
Yeah.
Like, even if you don't feel like the appearance is not looking good, but then I feel the comfort that you get from within.
If you feel happy from inside and beautiful from inside, you will basically feel it from outside also.
Yeah, I feel that comfort needs to be there. You
I
have
agree.
to be comfortable with yourself, your
True
skin.
that.
Yeah. So, how strongly do you feel health and beauty are connected?
If you can't take care of your health, there is no point in the outer beauty. Because if you're taking care from inside, it will show outside.
Yeah. So, do you have any tips or tricks about that? How can we take care
I
of
don't have
ourselves?
very like particular tips like that, but like the hydration part, eating good, like I should have a one meal like at home and like good diet. Like if I eat anything before also, like anything outside, I need to have something healthier before. And just I think good water intake is my basic thing.
Yeah. Also, I feel the skincare thing is also there. You have to take care of your skin.
Yeah.
Maybe the products if you feel
Have no
so.
particular choice,
Yeah.
like whatever you feel right.
But more than that, I feel it's very important that you take care of yourself by eating healthy.
Yes.
Drinking
that.
stuff and everything. Juices, I feel you should recommend. You drink a lot of juices, I know.
I do.
Yeah. That's why.
That's my morning ritual. I can't go like out of the house because my mom won't let me go outside the house for sure.
That's why I thought of you recommending them. What do you drink?
ABC juice,
ABC juice.
ginger shots.
Ginger shots. Yeah, true that. Can someone look beautiful even if they are not fully healthy?
I think we should have your opinion for this.
Okay, so I feel, of course, you can. It depends maybe from person to person. But for me, I do not eat healthy very usually, but
Yeah.
I try eating
I know
2
that.
meals. Yeah, of course, you do. But then I try having 2 meals at home at least.
Yeah.
Which
But I think you like that is also.
I prioritize my health.
Yeah. But you do gym and like all those.
Yeah, I work
yoga.
out everything. Yeah, I'm into like doing workouts. So I
Physical
feel maybe that works out for me.
Yeah.
Maybe I do not eat that much of healthy food, but then I love to take care of myself by working out at gym, doing yoga, maybe dance sessions
Yeah.
maybe. So sometimes I feel, I feel workout for me works really well, like rather than having healthy. Of course, that's important, but
Yeah, very
I
important.
feel for me it's only the workout that really works out for me.
I don't take every meal like
Yeah,
I eat
Yeah.
outside also.
we go very often outside.
Yeah, but
Then we prefer, healthy options outside as well. We prefer going to places which offer healthy meals, instead of going for
and
those.
subah like in
junk.
the first thing I have is like a banana and a juice.
Yeah, I
So,
feel, that's
the start.
like, that's the start of the day. I feel
Yeah.
my day is incomplete without a banana and a coffee shot.
Yeah.
So,
I
yeah.
have ginger shots, so
So, yeah, okay.
it's a good start.
Yeah, I feel the starting of the day should be with some healthy
Yeah.
drink, some healthy fruits and everything.
Yeah.
So it keeps you full and full of energy.
True.
So yeah.
I agree.
So what do you think are the most common beauty mistakes people make in daily life?
Oh, so this can be a controversial question though, because I think people nowadays want to use a lot of products. They want to keep experimenting, and that's not a good thing, I feel.
Yeah, I feel all these trends going on online.
Yeah, just
Instagram,
people want to just keep following the trends. I don't think that's a good thing.
these trends are driving people, I feel, really crazy. And I feel
Yeah.
it affects the skin also. They're not understanding the thing
Exactly.
that it goes inside your skin and everything, and it affects your hormones.
And if you want to try one product, I think you should take a gap and see how it works for you instead of just trying one thing one day and another thing one day. So I don't think so that works.
Yeah, you should be consistent
Yeah.
with what choices you're going
And
for.
let me be honest with you, I have experimented like a few years ago. I've experimented a lot with my skin. I was also doing all these trends and everything, going to get the treatments and all sorted. But it's been good 2 years and my skin is so healed. I have not followed any single trend. And I'm so consistent to like just 3-4 products. That's it. I'm not doing that 7-8 skincare routine steps or something like that anymore.
I feel these teenagers and everyone are getting so influenced by the influencers online.
Just experiment.
They are experimenting with everything which is like new in the market.
Yeah.
कि आज कौन सा new skincare product आया,
Let's
कौन सा new
try,
mask
yeah.
है, let's try
And
this
that's
on us.
so horrible. You're spending so much money on
Yeah, it's very expensive first of all, and
Yeah.
secondly, it's not suitable for every skin type.
Yeah, makes sense.
So I should put it out there that it's not working for every skin
Yeah,
type.
for me, though, definitely it was not working out. I've tried a lot of products.
Yeah.
And since like last 2 years, I've been consistent to only 2-3 products and which have worked for me really well.
Yeah.
And since then, because I had gone through a phase where my skin was not at all like nice, and it was like I was not leaving my 4 walls of the room also for multiple days.
Yeah.
But now, since good 2 years, I have been that confident and like stick to that routine.
We'll talk about that story later on, guys.
Yeah. We need
But
to.
yeah, it's very essential part of her life that she's been through, and now like she's back to normal, and now she doesn't care however she's looking.
I don't care now who's gonna judge me and how do I look. I don't care anymore.
I'm really proud of her that she's into this phase now. So I'm really happy for her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coming back on track, how does hydration impact skin and hair quality?
It does a lot. If you don't like hydrate from inside, it's like it's gonna show on your skin apparently, and it's gonna be dehydrated, and like you will feel very like dry. Your lips are gonna get cracked and everything.
Yeah.
So I think you should be taking care of the hydration part. It's very important. What do you think about it?
True, I feel hydration for us, I feel it's very important. For both of us, we carry our mug every day.
Yeah, for sure.
We vibe on that we have our
Winning cup.
winning cups in our hands with Grovia stickers on it. That
Which says my emotional
yeah.
support water bottle.
So yeah, I feel we move with that cups, and it's first of all it looks good with our outfits, and then of course we have to keep ourselves hydrated. So
Good way to hydrate though.
Yeah. So maybe that's our emotional support, guys.
Yeah, true that.
Yeah. So can poor sleep really make someone look older?
I think you should not ask this.
Oh, bro. This is the wrong question, guys.
For me also, some days it's not the right question. But yeah, like since we've started to age, I have started to really take care of my sleep. Like I need good 8 hours of sleep, even though I sleep at, I think I sleep now around 11ish, which is too early also and too late also. So it's like 5ish for me. But I get up around 7:30. So I think I complete my sleep.
Now you've totally changed. Early to bed, early to rise.
Yeah. Earlier I used to sleep around 2.
I know. I know. It's so horrible. I've still not changed. I'm trying to get up at 7:30,
but you also trying now.
I'm at least
in the trying phase. You are.
Yeah, I'm in the trying phase. It's winters, guys. मैं नहीं उठ सकती. I can't get up. I can't get out of my
it's hard because even I have days where I don't sleep on time, but I have to wake up because I need to go to the gym because my father wouldn't let me be like, you have to work out, you have to go out, either go for a walk So in fact, I have to get up though.
But then, yeah, talking about that, I feel it's very important that, like parental support and that pressure.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not that
I
pressure.
used to hate it,
Yeah.
but now I
But
love it.
now, yeah, I
Yeah.
feel as you get older, you understand what parents are like,
Yeah,
are
if I talk
inculcating in
about
you.
3 years ago, I used to hate getting up because when my father used to come, I used to be like, I don't want to wake up, and used to
Yeah.
get mad at him. Now it's like I'm happy to wake up because I have a routine and I have much time in the day. So it's like great, and I'm done with my workout and everything before 9ish. And I'm
Yeah.
sorted. I'm attending my classes, and then it's like my day is like filled, and I'm sorted now.
Yeah,
So it's
but
great.
I feel while we were in our like early 20s,
Yeah.
we were not getting those instincts ki acha,
I
okay,
think
we
we should
have to
not
get
talk
up.
about the age.
Okay. But no, we're not that older also, guys. Abhi midlife crisis, we've not reached there yet.
Time. There's time.
Yeah, there's time, a lot of time.
Yeah. Great.
But then, okay, so yeah, I'm really like happy that both of us, we've got parents who support us,
Yeah.
who tell us ki you have
Never
to wake
say
up
no
early.
to us or like.
Yeah, so true. I feel that comes from your parental support only.
Yeah.
They are so healthy. They go
And you
on
see, the
every.
kids see
Yeah.
it in my brand. It started like this only when I saw my father doing all this.
Yeah, true that.
To
I
get
feel
it
whatever a
achieved.
child sees,
Yeah.
they apply it to
To the new life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, true that. So now that you've spoken about your father being so hardworking and then you're
Yeah.
following his footsteps and now you've opened your own brand,
Yeah.
Grove Organics, first of all, huge round of applause for her. She's opened her own brand. She's just, I won't mention the age, but she's very young and I'm very proud of her that she's opened her own brand. She's
Let me
working.
be honest. I'm grateful for her because she's been my biggest supporter in this.
Whatever, guys, but I'm really proud of her. I'm looking at her. I'm looking her grow so like a woman who's into business. I'm really proud
And
of
we
her.
feel empowered now.
Yeah, I feel so proud of her. So tell them about your brand.
So basically, it's a natural and like nature oriented brand which contains like everything plant based and healthy options like marketed products like other brands use a lot of chemicals, and this brand doesn't contain all those toxins and like bad chemicals which go inside your bloodstreams and disturb your hormonal levels or something like that. So basically, in my brand, I've introduced 2 products right now. One is a rose water, and other is like fragrance roll-ons. So roll-ons are basically purely botanical, natural, which will not cause you any harm, and they're good for you, and they'll be long-lasting, and just pure botanicals and no chemicals, like no SLS, no parabens, nothing like that, no toxin shit and stuff like that. So it's basically just a nature-oriented brand.
Yeah, it's good. I've tried those products and trust me, guys, they are amazing.
Even I use it every day.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. All the sampling has been done on her.
Yeah,
on
I have been the lab rat. I have been that lab rat जिसमें सारे experiments हुए हैं.
Yeah, she is our hamster or guinea pig.
True that. Like I've experimented on myself. One product for good 1 week, second product for good 1 month.
Yeah,
Experimented everything on myself. Yeah.
true that.
And it's still going on though.
Yeah, she keeps
A lot more.
testing some weird testers on herself, and I keep telling her, please do not try this on yourself. Give it to someone, give it to someone else. So that
I do multiple mixing.
Yeah.
Try it on myself.
I tell her this every day. Do not test these samples on yourself, please. And
Yeah, she gets really mad at me because I'll be testing one product and like I need to try this, I need to eat this, I need to see how
oh
it goes.
God, I hate this thing about her. She's testing everything on herself. She'll eat one thing, she'll apply another thing. I keep on telling her, give it some break. You can apply it later on. You can eat it later on.
Yeah.
Do not indulge into this.
To be very honest, Touchwood, there's not been any side effects.
I'm very, very thankful for that. But God forbid, I feel do not do these things to yourself.
I agree. Apologies.
But yeah, on
not
that
help.
part, having said that, I'm really happy that she's, begin with this a new brand of herself, and she's doing all the sampling on herself and her friends. So yeah, I feel I love Woody Leora's roll-on. I am crazily drooling over it.
Yeah,
I
even
feel
have it in
I've
my
bought
bag.
my third bottle now and loving it. I am extremely loving it. And the rose water, guys, it's so hydrating, so
Yeah.
soothing.
It's
I
always in the
feel,
bag also.
yeah. We keep it as a makeup fixer,
Yeah.
as a toner. We keep applying it every now and
I have finished what? Since it launched, I finished what? 4 bottles?
yeah. I
One is
feel,
in office, one is at
Yeah.
my home, one is in my bag.
yeah, we call our rose water the queen of our products.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's the queen. We love rose water, and
And
Yeah.
you should feel like a queen.
so yeah, thank you so much, guys. This was our first episode.
Thank you for watching. Hope you loved it.
Toodles.
Bye bye.